Hello. You doing any champagne? John Toshak, many congratulations. How do you feel at the moment? Pretty good?
Well, I feel relieved as well that it's all over. It's been a very difficult week. In fact, I've never known a week like it, really. Ups and downs. I'm a little bit disappointed that we haven't been able to finish second, to be honest, because when I came to the club, there was no way we could catch Watford, but we could have finished second, and we haven't done, but never mind, we've finished third, and there's a lot of people here who are very happy.
Yes, it was a hard old game to finish off with too, wasn't it?
Well, it was. I've won 3 championships at Liverpool, and 2 of them were won with 0-0 draws the last game of the season. This was a hard match, but in all fairness to the lads, they battled away. We could have had 5 or 6 goals. In the end, we settled for 2, and we got the result that we wanted.
A hard game, John, and I bet you it's going to be a hard, close season for you.
Well, it's going to be very hectic. Apart from moving house, I've got things to do as regards strengthening staff. They're knocking walls down and building new here, so it's going to be very difficult. In fact, I'm glad when Saturday 3 o'clock comes so I can go and have a rest.
John, great. Look forward to seeing you in the 3rd Division.
Thank you very much.
Alan Curtis, well done. Tremendous week for you.
Yeah, great. Well, just caps it all now.
Let's see what's happened all the week. You're a 4th Division Player of the Year, Club Player of the Year. You've been recalled to the Welsh squad. Everything going right. 34 goals, not too bad, eh?
Yeah. 33 goals, I think it was.
Well, the programme says 34, but we won't argue about that, will we?
Yeah. Well, no, it's been a good. It's been a good season.
Are you going to stay now with Swansea?
Well, I don't know yet. That's open to discussions now between myself and John and the chairman, Mr. Stewart.
And Robbie James, who's also put a few goals in. How many have you had, Robbie? Can you count them?
I think it's 18. Well, bit of argument about it, but I'll claim 18.
Do you reckon you've played better this season or last season?
I don't know, Edward. I think in the middle of the season I was playing pretty well in midfield. I got pushed out on the wide a bit towards the end. Not too happy playing out there, but it worked out well. And we got promotion. So.
When were you convinced that you could get promotion?
I think after the Easter spell we took 6 points out of 6, I think. The lads felt well, everything went well, and we just kept battling on. We missed it last year by a point, so we weren't going to let it slip this year.
What's going to happen to you now? Because let's be fair about it, you're getting on a bit. Are you going to hang up your boots and go into coaching full time?
No way. I mean, if my old mate Arvin can go on, I mean, he can give me 3 years.
Alvin Griffiths?
Arvin at Wrexham, yeah. I mean, if he's still playing, well, I've got chances,
Well, everybody at the Vetch is happy, and I suppose it's fair to say perhaps the happiest man is the chairman of the club, Malcolm Stroke. Is that so?
Well, I'm certainly absolutely deliriously happy, and I know there's a lot of other people feeling the same way, and it's tremendous for the club and it's tremendous for the city.
And where do you go from here?
Well, we go into the 3rd Division, and the one word that John Toshak and I won't be talking about is this awful word, consolidation. I think that's a word for cheats. We'll go into the 3rd Division with a view to trying to win it. And I feel that we've got the basis here of a squad that could win it. Obviously, we will be looking to strengthen the squad, but certainly we're going in as an ambitious club with a view to trying to do well. Certainly, we won't be looking to so-called consolidate.
The 1st Division in how many years?
Well, I don't know about the 1st Division, but I did say at the beginning of this season that I thought we could make the 2nd Division in 2 years. Well, we're on target for the first year. Let's see what we do next year. But as I say, we'll be going out to do well. I think we've already got the basis of a team that could do well. There's some tremendous players here, and they're yet to reach their peak. The Robbie Jameses and the Stephen Morrises, their best footballing days are ahead of them. So I'm very optimistic, obviously.